Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is a very beautiful. This is a very beautiful day, 11 July. This is the happy birthday of our dear Nigar Fatima Apu. Happy birthday, dear sister Nigar Fatima Apu. And today I will talk about my improvement of 10-minute writing post practice of Rajiv Ahmed sir. And I want to say that I could not write a post larger than 4 to 5 sentences in Bangla language. I was very slow, and also my condition of reading speed was very bad. That I always used to afraid to read a long post because I could not read a large post within a short time. Now I can read a post within very short time. This is all the credits are going on 10-minute practice post, and thanks to Rajiv Ahmed sir. Most of the time I have to keep myself active in online for e-learning, and because you know that Search English Group Digital Skills Group is best e-learning platform for increase our basic skill. So that I always try to keep myself active on those group, and I can do that because I am very speed now. I can read a post, I can write a post within a short time, and I don't afraid to write or read a large post. So I don't I don't feel bored, and never I avoid that kind of study or groups. And now I think that all of us should pay attention to 10-minute writing post practice. And also presentation post is very important for increase our basic skill. And you can ask that where we can get the link of 10-minute practice post, and how we can learn, how we can find that link of Rajiv Ahmed sir. At first you can go to the profile of Rajiv Ahmed sir. Then you have to go to the website of sir, and there you can find the link of 10-minute practice post, presentation post, and also you will can get the link of Kishore Classics story post, which has written by Afsana Tawapu, Jannat Apu, and not only those posts, so many inspirational posts we can get from the website of Rajiv Ahmed sir. If you don't, some of people say that first we can get the post of Rajiv Ahmed sir. Then you can go to the profile of Rajiv Ahmed sir, and you can see first. You can see first the profile of sir. Then you will can find the post of sir. And always, if you want to follow the guideline of sir, if you want to increase your basic skill in English, then obviously you have to read all the posts of Rajiv Ahmed sir. You should comment there on the below of sir's post. Never you can avoid the post of sir, because you want to follow the guideline of sir. Then why you would like to do this? So keep practicing and be regular. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.